Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you um, how to compare a list in Excel. So pen an Excel sheet. Let's say we want to know if the names are here are matched with any name with the class 2 names. So for this, we will put a formula which is equals to match open parenthesis, and it says to give lookup value. So let's click on the first cell and put a comma, and here we have to give the lookup array, which is this array, sorry, this whole array. Okay, now we will lock this array with F4. Now put a comma, and as we want to exact match, we want to know the exact match, that's why we will put the 0, and we'll close the parenthesis. Now click on enter. As you can see, it says that this name is present at the sixth row um, of this data. So we'll simply drag and down, and here you can see there is another match of this name which is in the fourth position, and the rest of the three is shown NA. That means that they are not available or they are not matched. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.